There are multiple ways to connect a sprinkler head to PVC pipe. Let's show you all the ways to get that job done. Dwayne Smith here, your sprinkler warehouse product specialist. Let's talk about swing joints, nipple risers, and funny pipe. What's the best way to connect a sprinkler head to PVC pipe? Swing joint. Done. All right, let's flesh that out a bit. Swing joints are this doohickey here. They come in various lengths, and this is a nipple riser. By the way, if you're connecting a rotor, it's probably going to have a 3/4 inch inlet, so you'll be needing 3/4 inch swing joint or nipple riser for those. Spray heads are generally 1/2 inch, so you'll use 1/2 inch fittings for those. Swing joint screws into a T-fitting like this that has a threaded inlet. The inlets for these come in various sizes as well, so make sure you know which size you have so you get the correct riser or swing joint. Swing joints are a really great way to connect heads to PVC pipe because if there's a lot of pressure on the top of the head, like say the head's right next to a street and a car rolls over it, then the swing joint will flex and most likely not cause a leak, whereas nipple risers don't have that flexibility, put too much weight in, they will break. Additionally, swing joints make it easier to position the sprinkler head right where you want it, and they're much easier to raise or lower, which many heads will need to be raised or lowered after a few years. So this section of the swing joint is made of funny pipe, and you can buy funny pipe in rolls like this. And you can attach them with fittings like these kind right here. Sometimes this is what you need to solve a problem if for some reason you need to put a head a little farther away from your pipe, like say 3 or 4 feet away. 6 feet is a little long for funny pipe, and you don't really want something longer than that. So why would you ever even use a nipple riser? Well, because they're cheap. They're about 1/3 the price of a swing joint, and that adds up when you're trying to save money. If you're going to go this route, I'd suggest that you still spring for some swing joints for the heads near the driveway or the street to save you some potential issues. Now, nipple risers are made to be cut to the height you need, and there are extensions if you need a little bit more height, so you can make them taller. Remember, you want the top of your pop-up heads to end up even with the grade of the soil. Too high and they'll be a trip hazard or get wrecked by a mower. Too low and they won't be doing their job properly and might not even come up at all. You can buy all these fittings and everything else you need for your sprinkler system at sprinklerwarehouse.com.